Okay, pinagtatalunan kung pumasok. Balyon is down. Okay, foul. Exit 2, Samburak versus Balyon. Full pack. Jonathan Balyon. 5'6", Samburak 5'11".
Gere, mata sa mata.
Size up tayo.
Dapat masundot, diretso pwedeng kunin. Pero pag naagaw, wala na. Supalpal, wala na. Tumira lang tapos. Basta binitawan mo wala na yun. Mag-shoot ulit. Okay? Kung may iba pandagdag, sige.
Tsaka referee lang nga, tsaka yung manager, yun lang nga pwede sumali. Yung mga wala pwede makisali. Yun lang.
Let's go! Main event. Race to 16. Okay, Balyon. Samburak. Balyon drives. First points by Balyon. Forcing his way from 3 points down the line. Samburak. Look at Samburak. Pinipilit niya. All one. Balyon. Dribbling. Balyon lumusot. Balyon lays it up. Foul counted. Balyon with the advantage, but okay, it looks Balyon is down. Balyon is down.
Shot clock.
Balyon.
Nova.
Balyon in the paint. Grabe physical to. Balyon quick. Yes sir! Balyon makes the shot. 2-1 tayo. Balyon post. Dribbling. Balyon hindi makapasok. Balyon turn around. Bang! Balyon pumasok pa yun. Okay, pinagtatalunan kung pumasok.
Para maganda ba?
Kung dos ba? 3-1 pa rin tayo. Balyon. Another lumusot. It's too easy if Balyon gets to the paint. Balyon.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Balyon, wala ang bola. Balyon. Yes sir! 5-1. Samburak. Lalapit siya. Samburak. Yes sir! Grabe hook shot yun ah. Back to Samburak. Samburak posting. Low post over Balyon. Samburak kung hinahanap ang rim. Samburak. Yes sir! Samburak. Umiikot Samburak. Nasa pwesto niya. Samburak. 5-4. Okay, foul. Penalty free throw for Balyon. Balyon. 6-4. Balyon cross over. Balyon. Okay, foul. Their free throw. Tahimik lahat. Balyon no miss. Balyon closing the rim. Okay, foul. Balyon taking advantage. Balyon no miss. Samburak back to his original play. Sambulyan. Yes sir. Balyon will post. Balyon will attack using his size to lay up. Samburak. Okay, foul. Samburak. Yes sir, Samburak makes it. 9-6. Balyon nakawala and the foul. In and out. 9. Forcing his way, Samburak. Samburak spins. Samburak, nice move by Samburak. 9-7. Balyon. Balyon drives. Okay, foul. Hard foul. Oh, consecutive misses na siya. Balyon, another miss. 7-9. Samburak will attack. Foul. Samburak. Yes, sir. 8-9. Balyon drives. Balyon foul. That's a foul. No good for Balyon. Missing the free throws. Okay, lumusot doon si Samburak. He will go back to the line. Samburak. Yes, sir. Okay, ayan. Yes, sir, for the lead. 10-9. Balyon, okay. Foul na. Foul. Yon. All 10. Samburak. Left side. Samburak lays it up. Foul. Derecho Samburak with Balyon. Balyon will drive. Okay, foul again. Balyon, no good. Samburak naman ngayon ang mas lamang. Samburak dire-diretso siya. Samburak. Okay, foul by Balyon. Okay, Samburak. 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 Foul. Okay, Samburak. What a stroke. 3-point lead, boys. Thank you, Boss Anjo. Penulyar. Foul. Foul, Balyon. Okay, he makes it 11-13. Balyon naman. Balyon, no call. Balyon off the glass bank shot. Jonathan Balyon. Umatake siya and the foul. Balyon free throw. Balyon, yes sir. 12-14. Spins by Samburak. Okay, foul. Free throw. Okay, let's go. 14-13. 14-13. Okay, foul. Foul. Yes, sir. All kato. Balyon will drive. Balyon lays it up. Last ball for Balyon. Atake ng kanilang kampo. Balyon. Balyon will attack. Balyon nawala ang bola. Okay, good yun. Balyon. Balyon. No good. Oh no. That's a potential game ender. Samburak naman. Samburak foul. Foul. Samburak makes it all 15. All 15. Balyon, mawawala pa. Okay, no foul. No foul there. Samburak. Samburak closing. Samburak. Samburak, no good. No good, no good. So good. Balyon long. Okay, no good. Balyon suddenly throws. Samburak, left side. Samburak. Samburak. Okay, close. Balyon, turn. Pinapabanggaan si Balyon. Okay, foul. Traveling by travel call. Travel call.
Pinama-travel ang tira kaya nasa likod. Mas na kamay nata.
Samburak. Okay, foul. Free throw. Free throw for Samburak. Last ball, free throw. Last ball, free throw. Ano ko lang to ha? Last ball, free throw. Last ball, free throw. Samburak.
Let's go, boys. Let's go.